So hello guys, today in this video I'm demonstrate my project web browser using Python module Pyqt5. Here is the code. You code is present on my description. You can download this code. Let's not wait time and run this project. It takes some time. Oh, it runs so fast now. Now this is a web browser. You can go any sites. You can use YouTube also. Let's run YouTube. Now I'm going to play some video. Let's hope I don't have any. Love so strong in Hello. Let's stop this. Otherwise, I got copyright. And here there are some buttons. The URL search box. In this button, you go from home. Now this is for reload, and this is forward, and this is backward. Backward works properly, fine. Now you see this working smoothly. And here you can also change your search engine. Currently I'm using Google, so I want to change to Bing, save it and run it again. Here you can see now is run on Bing. You can search here YouTube and you find YouTube also. If you want some another websites, like I want to visit Java tip point because I like this website for tutorials. Here you can see you can use it and go to home. You can change to another browser. Let go to DuckDuckGo and save this and now run this again. Here you can go to DuckDuckGo. You can use these sites to, they have different features. This project is on running. I make some changes on it and make even more beautiful. So this is for all. Let's close this video.